Guru Nation, it's training day at the office. I finally hired my first coordinator. It was not easy. She's a certified nursing assistant. She has zero experience in clinical research, but she is enrolled in the CRC Academy in the brand new class. And today I'm just going to kind of show you a little highlights of what we do, how I train, how her first day really was. I mean, everyone's first day is going to be different depending on the type of site that you're at and where they are in the process of the studies, right? So this is the perfect first day because tomorrow is our site initiation visit, and you can be sure I'm going to be vlogging about that as well. So a lot of the visit today, we prepared for that SIV tomorrow. But we also did some other things for other studies, like do some last minute documentations. She actually got to do 2 progress notes. So I'm going to try to capture as much of that as I can. We also have a Zoom team meeting with some of the remote workers that we have on our team. Shout out to Samantha Anderson and brand new intern who you're going to see on here too, Victoria from the CRC Academy. So hopefully pick up a thing or two from here and keep following me, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'm going to keep documenting. It's day 1 of Desiree here. She's on Zoom, and then Samantha's here training us on Creo. So show those papers. Go through that talk real quick.
You want to see
and
it?
then we'll just say hi to Desiree.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Because we're learning a brand new. Well, what we're doing, we're inputting. All right, let's say hi to Desiree first. Desiree, you just learned how to input some data into Creo. Progress note. You did like 3 progress notes. Hardest part so far, was it difficult? Is it difficult? Or what, like you're on your first day, a lot of people here, they're not even at day 1, so they don't even know anything about starting in clinical research. What stood out to you so far?
A lot of it is already pretty much done for us from the doctors. It's just a lot of inputting it so far and just making sure you're crossing your T's, dotting your I's, and making sure everything's accurate.
That's because we have PI that's very engaged, very involved, which is a blessing. And there we have our brand new intern, Victoria, joining us. She's frozen. Okay, now she's moving. Samantha's moving and flowing. And Samantha showed the Creo real quick. Did you show?
Yeah.
Or did we not?
Yeah,
do
no
that
problem. Yeah, because here, Vicky, you can hear this too. So obviously I'm going to cover up anything about the actual study. But what's really interesting is when you're configuring documents, on Creo, for example, you're configuring your eSource. A lot of times I'll use source documents sent from the sponsor or from the CRO, any of that ilk. And what's cool is they're all different.
Recording in progress.
Sometimes it'll say it'll be here's everything you need to do for visit 1. And then sometimes it'll change over and it'll be more like what it is here. So again, I'm going to cover up what this study is. But so you can see in this case, it's actually, they've marked it in terms of here's what the thing is and here's where you do it, right? Here's the dates, the visits that you're actually doing it for. And then on the next page, for example, here's all of the parameters we're going to have to put in.
And this is really good. This is really cool to see because we're using Creo. And Desiree, it's her first day today as our new research assistant, soon to be CRC. Hopefully in 3 months. She's just enrolled in the CRC Academy. Starts tomorrow. These 2 finished. Samantha and Victoria were in the same class last.
Yeah.
What you just showed was Creo, how to create the template. And what Desiree just did a little bit of today was input some of the things into Creo eSource. So it's pretty cool to see this, end to end. And at the end of the day, as soon as we're done with the Zoom call, and I'll stop recording soon for privacy, but we're going to log in our drug. And so you'll see that, Guru Nation, on the video at the end. But so thank you, Samantha. And then welcome.
No problem.
How's it going? Anything you want to say for Guru
I'm
Nation?
good.
Stop recording.
Hey everyone. I would recommend the CRC. The CRC course, it's amazing. I'm loving it.
All right, Guru Nation, I promised you we're going to do drug accountability. So for this new study on Desiree's first day, we're doing IP receipt reconciliation. And the first thing we're doing is we're checking the placebo. The placebo came in. There's 16 kits. So Desiree is going through each one, checking the numbers one by one to make sure that they're here. We already checked the temperature. I did a video before with the temp tail where it shows you like that the temperature during transit. So now we're actually manually logging in the drugs into the IRT system, and then we're going to put them in the drug cabinet there. And Desiree's having fun on her first day, right?
Yeah, actually.
Not too hard, huh?
No, not too bad.
The hardest part's figuring out which drug, because there's 3. Figure out which one's which.
Yeah.
And then it gets easier from there. So, what are your thoughts so far?
So far, it's pretty easy. Just a lot of detailed stuff.
More than you thought, right?
Yeah.
Everybody says that. It's way more than you
My
thought.
money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble, you know, riding in my...
Wrapping up Desiree's day. So we logged in the drug, put the lab kits away. We made a little referral letter. Now what do you feel about the end of the day? And then tomorrow we have our SIV. So you're prepared, you're gonna take notes. Then we're gonna fix up the referral letter. What are your thoughts? We needed the post-game analysis.
I'm actually pretty excited. I think I've got a lot of information in today, and I think that I feel well prepared on kind of what to expect for tomorrow for that visit. And it's good timing because I get to experience that and see what it's like. So I'm excited.
And thanks to Sarita, you get free coffee. Yeah. All right, Guru Nation. We'll report tomorrow. Bye-bye.